Hi everyone, this is Group 7. So today we are presenting our website, which serves as a combination of COVID-19 real-time data tracker and a search engine for the drive-through testing sets. As students studying Johns Hopkins Farm Program, we want to contribute our effort to advance the science we pursue and therefore benefit our society, just like our first president, Daniel Gilman, suggested. So under this pandemic and also give the quarantine situation, we think that the best way to achieve our goal is to create a platform for residents to track lifetime confirmed cases and death cases in the United States, and also be able to search nearby drive-through testing sets if needed. So let me walk you through the basic functions first. From the left set bar menu, you can go to the home page, track COVID data, find testing sets in your city, and also view current testing sets. If you want to find more detailed information like the data or method we use to build this web page, you can click the About button to see the data source. Some sources are also linked with the info icon in some info box. So here you can just simply click on it and it will just lead you to the source website. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or any thing you want to contact us, just simply click here and it will show you all of our contact information. And please feel free to contact us. Now let me walk you through this homepage. In here, you can learn stories about why and how does COVID become an pandemic. Some key symptoms for you to do some self-checking, our initiatives and insights, and also brief introduction about our data tracker and testing sets. Also, there's a short video for you to take a pic of the COVID drive-through sets, just for you to decide if you want to go to it or not. So now let me pass it to Lulu to talk about the COVID-19 data tracker.
So as we click on the map tab, we could see the COVID-19 data tracker appears on the page. For our users' convenience, we have introduced this status summary of our daily updated data from JHU CSSE. You could see how many total confirmed cases, deaths, occurred among, for example, 58 US states and dependencies on July 20, 2020. So please be aware that our website will fall under maintenance around 12 a.m. Eastern Time every day due to the auto-update process of the data. So if our website users want to get more insight of the real-time COVID-19 data, we could scroll down to explore more of this interactive map. This is a US map which you can hover your mouse over each state to see more information, such as the state name, confirmed cases, death, recovered cases, and testing rate if they're applicable. With Subscribe function introduced, the user could use the toolbar at the upper right of the graph to explore this interactive figure. So it is important to consider our target user groups from all perspectives. Therefore, we also provide a data table format of our COVID-19 data. Users can search and sort the data table, and here on the right are some notes regarding our variable columns. So users could click on the information button on the upper right and it will redirect them to the JH Coronavirus Resource Center to get more information. So now let's move to the next tab, and I'm going to pass on to Yu Chong for more details.
Then in the testing sites tab is divided into two subtabs which contain the current status and the application of finding testing sites on the map. In the current status tab, we created 3 graphs using the testing sites data from GoodRx website and the confirmed cases data from JHU website. The first graph is a choroplast map of testing sites in the United States. It characterizes the number by darkness level of the colors. A darker color represents a higher number of testing sites in the states and vice versa. If you hover above any state, there will be detailed information that indicates the exact number and the state name. And the second graph is a scatter plot that helps us to see the comparison between the testing sites number and confirmed cases in each state. X-axis stands for the abbreviation of each state. In the y-axis, we can compare the number of testing sites and confirmed cases by different colors of points. The blue points stand for the number of testing sites and the pink points stand for confirmed cases in unit of thousands. When you hover it, you could see the exact number and the state name as well. From the graph, we can tell that there's a positive relationship between these two variables. As the number of confirmed cases decrease, testing sites number also has a descending trend overall. And then Roop will discuss the third graph.
Our third graph is a text plot visualization of where each state is at under current situation. For example, if the state is located on the upright corner of this graph, it means that it has a relevantly higher number of total cases and also a higher number of testing sites. On the contrary, if the state is at the bottom left corner, it means that it has a low value of both of the variables. We could observe that there is some outliers. For example, New York, it has a very high number of total cases. However, its number of testing sites is low compared to California and Texas. The potential reason here may be that New York has a small area and it is not as large as California, so it does not require that many of testing sites. The second tab in testing sites is an map application that we built for the users to search the testing sites in their city. For example, if you type the city name Washington here, it will display the map with markers of different testing sites. And if the user click on the points, it will show the facility name, the detailed address, the phone number, and the facility type here. You could also try other city names, for example, Los Angeles, and it will show the testing sites in that city as well. Below the map, there is a detailed data table that shows more detailed information, for example, the hours and the link of the testing sites, so that you could make appointments in advance if you want to go to the testing site. Here is also a search function that you could type in your zip code, and it will display a list of available testing sites in your area. And also here we include the web page source of our data. Next, my teammate Lulu will introduce the last page of our website.
So before I walk you through the last tab in our website, our team would like to express our special thanks of gratitude to our data visualization course professor, Dr. Yazdi. So as well as the teaching assistant of this course. We truly appreciate such great opportunity to do this great, wonderful project on the topic of COVID-19. Dr. Yazdi and teaching assistants of this course have helped our team in doing a lot of research, and we have received a great deal of support and assistance through the development of this website. So here below are some reference that of the ideas and data sources that we have used in the process of development of this website. So we know there's definitely something could be improved in our website. And please feel free to contact us and send your suggestions to us. We would love to hear from you, and your suggestions would be truly appreciated. So that would be all for this website tour. Thank you for watching this website tour video, and we hope you enjoy it.